Hi guys, look, my cabinet, I closed it. Woohoo! Alright. I looked at that and I said, I'm going to close it before I do this video. Today's video is about versus. There we go. SpaghettiO's with meatballs or Chef Boyardee spaghetti with meatballs. But see, these are SpaghettiO's, this is spaghetti. So I'm not sure, but it should be still about the same. So I am going to cook these up. And we're going to do a taste test. I'm going to have Boo taste them too. So I'm going to do like, oh, which one's which. See if he can, well, never mind. These are spaghetti, these are SpaghettiO's. So he'll know which one's which. But that's what we're doing. Yay! Are we excited? I am. Because, I mean, this right here, high in sodium, was my lifesaver for the past 2 years. When I needed to eat and I needed salt, this is what I ate. And I think they're good. These ones I haven't had in many, many, many years. So that's why I said, let's do a little taste test here. Let me see the size of the cans. This is 14.5 and this one's 15.6. So money-wise, this one's the better deal. Now I know like some of the stores have off-brands of these. The winner of this one will get with the store brand. I'll get a store brand and then we'll try the winner of this one and the store brand. See which one's better then. Why not? Let's have some fun, right? Alright, let me go heat these up. I'll be right back. Okay, first big difference. Of course, you know, this is spaghetti. These are SpaghettiO's. But it looks like there's, well, we know this can's bigger, but this looks like it might be soupier than this one. I don't know. But I figured I'd show you what they look like. Can't wait. Just kidding. Alright, they're all heated up. Now, I didn't add anything to it. No seasonings. I'm just going to go flat on. But I might, if I need to, I might go ahead and season it too. So, alright, here they are. I'm going to go ahead and move that one back. Alright, SpaghettiO's and meatballs. You know what, I'm going to go with, they're hot. So I'm going to go ahead and there we go. Yeah, look at the steam coming off. So I hear it blow on it. Here goes Chef Boyardee. Not a lot of flavor, I'll tell you that much. The meatballs are bigger in the Chef Boyardee than the SpaghettiO's. So I was really missing some flavor too, but the meatball tastes better. Meatballs made with chicken, pork, and beef. Theirs is pork, chicken, and beef in a tomato sauce. So they're pretty much the same thing. It's just one is SpaghettiO's and one's spaghetti. But there is a taste difference in the spaghetti. Or not the spaghetti, but the tomato sauce. Let me see. Chef Boyardee's tomato sauce. That one really has no flavor. I'm sorry to say that. You know, I'm trying to get SpaghettiO. Well, I got it with a couple SpaghettiO's on it. That has more of a tomato taste. With some salt, it'd be wonderful. Chef Boyardee, I don't know. I'm going to put some salt in it and try it, and I'll let you know. Alright, I added salt and a little bit of garlic powder in it. And it's not too bad now. One thing I've noticed is that they're stuck together. Let me see, 4. I cut that one, so there should be a half of one. There's only like 6 meatballs in here. And this one, just on the top, they're small meatballs, but you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 right here where I can see them. So, if you like meatballs, this is the one to go. If you like spaghetti, this one's good. With the salt, it made it, and the garlic powder, made it taste a lot better. But, I don't know. Oh, maybe not. Let me taste this again. This really is not bad at all. Let me try another one. Yeah, not bad. But yeah, this is still my favorite. So out of the 2, that's the true winner. And look at it, looks like they have eyes. Haha, they did it on purpose. Nose, mouth. There we go. So that is the clear winner for my SpaghettiO comparison. Or in this case, SpaghettiO's compared to spaghetti and meatballs. I'm not sure if they have SpaghettiO's like that, or if it's just spaghetti. I know that I've had their raviolis. Nah. The pasta is really mushy on there and not good. I think that's why I stayed away from Chef Boyardee for so long. And I went to SpaghettiO's. But yeah. This one, I win this one. Boo gets to eat this one then. He'll like that. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Just a little video of fun things. And the winner. Winner. SpaghettiO dinner. Yeah, I knew it. I'm smart and funny. What can I say? Could be good looking. Like Boo. Alright, that's enough. I'm playing around. If I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here. And I love you all. And I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to leave a comment down below on which one you like. If you have one that you like better. Or if you have another brand or something. Let me know. Because then if I can find that, maybe I'll do a comparison with that. But you got to comment down below. So keep commenting, hit that thumbs up, and come back and see me some more, okay? Because I got lots more coming for you. Alright guys, love you. Mwah. Bye.